Hey my loved ones, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I got pork pozole. So this one is red. I will leave a card on top for the green so you can check that one out, which was made out of chicken. Here is the products I use: some hominy, some red enchilada sauce, diced onions, tomato sauce, diced green chilies, cilantro leaves, oregano leaves, cumin, chili flakes, pork, and this tomato bouillon. So I'm going to go ahead and mix the bouillon with the water, and we're going to bring this up to a boil. Okay, so once our base starts boiling, I'm going to go ahead and add the pork. And make sure it don't splash on you because the water is hot. So I already rinsed off the pork. And yeah, just add it to the pot. Once the pork is done, I'm going to take it out of the pot and I'm going to chop it up because I want meat in every bite of my pozole. So yeah, just take it out and chop it up. So once I chopped up the meat, I'm going to place it back into the base, and I'm going to go ahead and add my veggies and my seasonings. So this is my special seasoning. I will leave a card up top so you can see what's in it. And yeah, just go ahead and add your green onions, your cilantro. I've added cilantro because these green onions and cilantro is in my refrigerator, but I'm using them so I won't let them go to waste. So I also added onion and the cumin, the oregano, and the pepper and the tomato sauce. Oh yeah, and don't forget the garlic. I almost forgot the garlic. So once it starts boiling and simmered down a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and add the enchilada sauce. And I'm also going to add the hominy and just keep stirring it up and keep tasting it. If it doesn't have enough seasoning for you, then go ahead and add some more seasoning. But basically, it's that easy. Pozole in less than an hour. So I added some seasoning at this point once I taste it, and I think it needed a little more seasoning, but that's about enough. And my seasoning is not too salty, so yeah. So now it's up to a boil and it's done. So I'm about to go ahead and plate and garnish, and that's it, you guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you like this recipe, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share with your family and friends. Love you guys. Bye.